Take this down.
Obaseki Village Road. Eranomigho they talk. Obaseki Village. 8 years. You know Vita road. Run away governor, now shame you put for many people. 8 years. Obaseki Village be this one. Terrorists. See Obaseki Village. Can you defend this? If you do, Obaseki Masukwe way. You know Thai village. Na Okpebholo. Na I can't Thai village. Okpebholo. Baba, na God go bless you. Okpebholo wonder. Okpebholo caterpillar. Na Obaseki village. Obaseki village. Obaseki village. Wale mona see Abini people. Edo people. Mona no sleep oh. Wale here. Okpebholo government. No transfer 8 years Ogba. Arioboyo. 8 years. Obaseki village. Zero do. Sorry sir. No be nyama tar. American standard. Wonder. Wonder. The political god of Edo land. Political god of Edo land. Somebody worry. Upon everything when you do, God say la lie now you go be governor. Yeah. God bless you. Okpebholo wonder. See, turn village to city. Why come the governor not super? Now see diasporans. Now when they sit down for computer, all repentant human traffickers. Bonasi Road. Governor when not they make noise. Soft-spoken governor. But they talk as small, they walk. God go see him. He did with my son. Washington. Omonoke. Omonomo. Off we na my son, Your Excellency. Washington. Oh. Washington okay. God bless Okpebholo. God go bless you. Governor where they respect our tradition. Yes. You see Okpebholo, you see they waka for street. A Obaseki come be new. Run away. Run away. I never see governor when he go serve, he go run. That's the first time he don't push it for Benin people, body. No problem. We see the waka Eranomigho don't even tire. The road too long.
Before the mother is worse, when they're using this code before, I don't just know it's name, but we don't even try. This Okpebholo, he tried. We enjoy this road. We follow it. But maybe by the time we come back again, we will play a status for him. We need a lot in this village now. Yes, we need it.
How the road be now?
It's not good.
What's your name, man?
We there here.
Make it to local government.
God go bless our governor. May you live long, Your Excellency. Your work have turned your enemy to become your friend because of your good job. Your critics have become your ally because of your good job. May your day be long. You see, only governor when if he behave like Baba Asiwaju, the first son of Asiwaju. Tell Baba Asiwaju, your son is here, Baba. Bonasi Road. Might cover this one.
Okay. Which is good. Okay, let's just talk here. Let's go up. Their faces. He was governor for 8 years. He never remembered his people. But when I came here just to campaign, I told them, by the time I win, I'll come back to do this road. This is my second time of coming. After the first time was when I came to flag off this road after my elections. Then the second time now is to come and see how far the progress of the job. I'm satisfied with what is going on with the contractor. To the people, they are happy. Tinubu is demonstrating practical governance in Edo because he has his boys everywhere working and delivering the dividend of democracy to the people. That is what our people need. When we are talking about 3.5 million votes, people think we are talking. Will these people vote for another person? No. 2027 will tell you exactly how it is in Edo. That is the judgment day. Yes. If they like, they can be ADC. If they like, they can be YDC. Any party that belongs, we will defeat them. Amen. So let us not talk much. Our work is speaking for us. As far as Mr. President is giving us money, we'll continue to work with it. And our people will be smiling, and our people will be happy. That is it. Thank you.
God bless the government.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
The executive governor of Edo State. The accumulative
my brother, you don't have my brother, of your mama, your mom. You don't have you don't have we dey Obaseki village. God bless the governor.
So we are live in Giroa, Governor House, East Central. So, guys, as you can see, we have eaten. Everybody have eaten, right? Yes. So the governor is doing a standing job. Anytime he comes to his community, you see people on the street, they will be rejoicing, they will be happy, and I believe all of you are from here, right? Yes. Governor, so, what I can't tell us as our governor take
come this side now.
You see that every day we all have a lot to talk. Our governor children today.
You have a lot to talk. Yes. If we say more to talk now, you not go finish. That is the digital. You know yourself. Leader, we know what you use the time. That's all. How far we shall go.